Greenville Car Wash. This is Greenville Car Wash. We closed because of the rain, so see? So this is where you drive in. So yeah, we closed because of the weather, so this is where you drive in. You might be able to look inside and see all the equipment. And then, see, that's the equipment right there. This is our wash packages. See? It's pretty cool. Yep, that's the car wash. It goes all the way down to the exit. I want to show the exit quickly before I go home. So that's where you go through the car wash. That's the dry unit. Yep, we closed because of the storm, so yep. So now I gotta go back to my car, so it's a nice car wash. I love working here. I help close now, so it's the best car wash ever. So these are the vacuums right here, so oh yeah, my favorite place to work. So yep, that's our garage door. It just rained, so yep, we're closed, so it's the best car wash ever. These are the signs. Another sign down there. So yep, perfect wash. Perfect car wash. So